here. How are you today? I'm great, thank you. In this video, I want to do a funny mother goose and a very challenging one. この動画ではマザーグースを一つ紹介したいと思います。今までのマザーグースよりもちょっと難しい早口言葉のような面白いマザーグースです。みんなもぜひ練習して言えるようになってみてください。From Wibbleton to Wobbleton. So, there are two places in this mother goose. Wibbleton and Wobbleton. これは2つの場所の名前です。Wibbleton, Wobbleton.Can you say Wibbleton, Wobbleton? Very good! Wibbleton to Wobbleton, Wobbleton to Wibbleton, Wibbleton to Wobbleton. 行ったり来たりする、そんなお話です。Alright? Let's practice. It goes like this. From Wibbleton to Wobbleton is 15 miles. From Wobbleton to Wibbleton is 15 miles.From Wibbleton to Wobbleton, from Wobbleton to Wibbleton. From Wibbleton to Wobbleton is 15 miles. Okay, let's practice one more time. 1, 2. From Wibbleton to Wobbleton is 15 miles. From Wobbleton to Wibbleton is 15 miles.From Wibbleton to Wobbleton, from Wobbleton to Wibbleton. From Wibbleton to Wobbleton is 15 miles. Question. How far is from Wibbleton to Wobbleton? 15 miles. Good job.ここからここまで15 miles 15マイルだよっていうそれだけの歌なんですが面白いですね。Wibbleton, Wobbleton. おー、tongue twister. 舌がもうこんがらがってしまいそうです。Okay, from here, I'm going to get a little faster, okay? If you can try, please try with me. If it's hard, please listen and enjoy the sound, alright? 1, 2.From Wibbleton to Wobbleton is 15 miles. From Wobbleton to Wibbleton is 15 miles. From Wibbleton to Wobbleton, from Wobbleton to Wibbleton, from Wibbleton to Wobbleton is 15 miles. Faster! 1, 2. From Wibbleton to Wobbleton is 15 miles. From Wibbleton to Wibbleton is 15 miles. From Wibbleton to Wobbleton, from Wobbleton to Wibbleton, from Wibbleton to Wobbleton is 15 miles. Yay! Okay, I'm going to try the fastest. Do you think I can do it? できるかな? 1, 2. From Wibbleton to Wobbleton is 15 miles. From Wobbleton to Wibbleton is 15 miles. From Wibbleton to Wobbleton, from Wobbleton to Wibbleton, from Wibbleton to Wobbleton is 15 miles. Okay! Please give me a like if I did a good job. 最後の一番早いやつ。ティーチャーまちこちゃんと言えてたという人はいいねボタンぜひ押してください。言えてたかな？ギリギリだったかな？ Okay, so I hope you enjoy this mother goose from Wibbleton to Wobbleton. とっても面白いんだけど口がボボボボボボボこんがらがってしまうそんな難しさもあってチャレンジングなマザーグースぜひ練習してみてください。Alright, so thank you very much for watching this mother goose video. I hope to see you in the next one. See you! Bye!
チャンネル登録よろしくお願いします。